So following on from my last additive video where I used the Wynn's additive for the diesel emissions cleaner, I said I'd get back to you in 2 weeks, and I will, but it's taking longer than 2 weeks to drain the tank. We're now up to 3 weeks, and I'm going to repost another video when I've almost used the whole tank. Almost. So nearly there. So yeah, according to that, I've got 124 miles to go before empty, and I've done 167 so far. So once I hit the red line, or just before the red line, I'm gonna set the camera up at the rear end and see how the emissions have cleaned up. So I've not forgotten you, and if you haven't already seen the video, I'll tag it into this video so you can watch the first part of the emissions video, and I'll get back to you shortly. But it's just taking a little bit longer because I don't really do many miles, as you can probably compare from my last video. So it's taking a while to use a full tank. Anyway, subscribe and like if you want to, but please like, because it helps. So I'm pretty old school when it comes to fix and make do, but I got to the point where I was forced to buy new. Yep, the old car battery. So I've taken it out, I've put a brand new one in, but is it worth keeping it? Because I'm trying to charge it up as a backup battery. Or would you guys, let me know in the comments, would you just chuck it away and take it to the tip? Because it's a 2020, the date on the battery is January 23. So is that the date it was made? Or is that the date where it's an expiry date? It doesn't say expiry date. If so, it's only a year old. But it's been on charge now for 12 hours. And the light's not gone green yet. So, is it worth keeping? Am I just being a hoarder? What would you do? I've got a brand new one in the car, but is it worth keeping backups? Because it'll just sit there and it'll probably die. If it does it does recharge, it'll probably expire over time anyway. So when I come to need it, it'll be flat again. I don't know. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments.